In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make bar of pie chart in Excel. A bar of pie chart is perfect when your pie chart has several small slices that are hard to read. It keeps the main pie clear, then breaks the tiny pieces out into a separate bar so your audience can actually see what's going on. Let's walk through it from start to finish. First, highlight the data you want to visualize. Make sure your data is laid out in two columns: categories on the left and numeric values on the right. Include clear headers, avoid blank rows, and don't select any grand total rows. If your values are percentages, that's fine. Excel will treat them as numbers. If some values are 0 or negative, know that pie charts won't display those meaningfully, so consider filtering them out before you proceed. As a quick tip, sorting your data by size can make the result cleaner, but it's optional. With your range selected, go to the ribbon and click the Insert tab. You'll find all your chart options here. Keeping your data selected as you switch tabs ensures Excel immediately knows what to plot, which saves you from reselecting ranges later. Next, in the Charts group, click the Pie Chart drop-down. You can start with a standard pie if you like, but to jump straight to the right visualization, open the drop-down to see all pie-related options. You'll notice variations like 2D pie, 3D pie, pie of pie, and bar of pie. Choose bar of pie. Excel will insert a chart with a main pie on the left and a bar on the right, automatically moving the smallest slices into the bar for clarity. From here, customize for readability. Click the chart title and type a clear, concise name. Add data labels by selecting the chart, then using the plus icon or chart elements to show values, percentages, or category names. Pick the combination your audience needs. Right-click any slice and choose Format Data Series to fine-tune how the chart splits. You can split by percentage, by value, or by number of categories, and you can control how many items move to the bar. Adjust the second plot size and gap width to balance the visuals and reduce clutter. If colors are hard to distinguish, switch to a colorblind-friendly palette using Chart Design, and consider keeping the legend simple or turning it off if labels are on the slices. Finally, position and size your chart on the worksheet so it doesn't overlap your data, and do a quick readability check. Are the small categories now clear, labels legible, and the message obvious? If yes, you've successfully created a bar of pie chart in Excel.